Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. So the kid's father wanted fried chicken for dinner, so here we are. So these are the ingredients that you'll need. So this is a chopped up habanero and a chopped up jalapeno, the seeds, the ribs, everybody. The whole thing chopped up and put down in here. Also, if you're inexperienced with especially habanero, make sure you use some gloves. It does prolong on your fingers. And so, you want to use gloves or just be careful and constantly wash your hands. I also went down in here with some hot sauce. Y'all know, you never fry chicken without hot sauce. I'm using my favorite lemon pepper seasoning. Don't even ask what it is. It's sold out. If you know, you know. I'm also going to go down in here with some chili powder and some all-purpose chicken seasoning. But you can use whatever seasoning you want. Just make sure you use your lemon pepper, the habanero, the jalapeno, the hot sauce, because that's the point of the video, I'm also going to add an egg down in here. You could use buttermilk. I'm only just going to use an egg, and I'm going to mix this up, and that's pretty much it. Now, you do want this to sit for a while. The reason why you want it to sit is because you want the heat from the peppers to seep into the chicken. This is probably even more better the next day, but I only did about 5 to 6 hours marinating the chicken, and that's what it looks like. So now to make the flour mixture, I'm just gonna do straight up flour. Usually I do flour and cornstarch. Didn't have any, scrapped it all, didn't even need it. You see how beautiful it looked in my thumbnail. So to this, I'm also going to add some lemon pepper, and I'm also going to add some more of that chicken seasoning. I also use some Tony's because it does have some heat to it. I didn't have any cayenne because I definitely would have used it, but turned out I didn't even need it. As you can see, I used black pepper as well. So, got a good amount of flavor on the chicken. It was just so good, you guys, and I hope one of y'all give it a try. Y'all know the video wouldn't have made it on YouTube if I did not love this recipe. I know y'all should see how many recipes I scrapped. Oh my goodness. And it's crazy because y'all will probably love them, but I don't know. I just feel like if it's not perfect or if it didn't completely come together, don't put it out, And so, yeah. So now I'm going to put the chicken down into the flour mixture, and you just want to coat it really, really well. My oil is not even hot yet. It's not even turned on because I want the chicken to sit in the flour for like 10 minutes. That way it really adheres to the flour. So you never want to just put the flour and drop it in the oil. Like, don't do it like that. Put it in the flour, coat it really well, wait about 10 minutes, and then fry your chicken. Remember, please make sure your chicken is room temperature. Do not fry cold chicken. The outside will be brown and the inside will be raw. Okay. So I have my oil at about 350 degrees, and it's on medium, which is the middle button, the middle option on my stove. So I'm only going to do 4 pieces at a time. Now, if I was going to do more, I would turn the heat up. So it's kind of like you got to read the room, fill it out and read the room. But if you have a pot where you can only fit like 3 or 4, don't force it and put 6 to 8 pieces, because that's how you ruin the chicken and end up boiling instead of frying. And if you don't have like a roll and fry like you see here, you have too many pieces of chicken, and you already know how that's going to go. It's going to turn out greasy. So you don't want that. Once I flipped it over about 8 minutes on one side, 8 minutes on the other side, and then they're pretty much donezo. And look how beautiful this looks. This is the first batch, and look at this. Yo, and you know what's crazy? I didn't think I would even smell the pepper, like the habanero. You literally smell the habanero cooking up and down in this oil. And don't call me slow. I mean, it is coated in flour. I just didn't think I would, smell it. But this chicken, it was just so good. If I ever fry chicken again this month, I will definitely do this recipe. Y'all know I don't do that much fried foods. well, deep fried foods on here. So this is the second batch, and I'm just, make sure you shake off the excess flour always. Y'all, look at that tongue. That tongue is a mess. That would have been all over my hand if I didn't use a tongue. I feel like the second batch came out even better. Look how beautiful, golden, and crispy that looks. And this is what the plate of chicken legs look like, y'all. The chicken was on sale. It was $4, but like it was like 14 in that pack, and I made like 10 of them. I believe it was 10 on this plate or something like that. But I sprinkled it with some parsley and added lemon on the side because I'm extra. But this chicken was so delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, you better tag me and let me know what you think. You guys should also follow me on social media. I post almost every single day, and recipes that never make it over here. But yeah, added more hot sauce because it's like, why wouldn't you put hot sauce on the chicken leg? I mean, on your fried chicken. Look how juicy the inside looks. Like, period. Okay. But thank you guys for watching. Love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.